Welcome to my channel. You see my green plantain. Only 3. I'm going to teach you the secret of making a healthy plantain. Thank you. Okay. See the way I cut it. I hope you are getting it. So we are going to start peeling it, one after the other. You are seeing, this is the last one I'm going to peel. First of all, opening gentle way because it's unripe plantain. Are you getting me? Thank you for joining. God bless you. You see it now? We are going to wash it. So we have to wash it. Make sure it's very clean before we start. Okay? Now we are finished washing. You see me? No? I'm going to start washing. Look at what I'm going to use. You see? I hope you know it. If you go to market, you can still get it. It's very easy. You can get it in the market. This thing used to be very sharp. That is why I have to wear hand glue. You understand? You see? You see what I'm using? Here. That's what I'm using. You see the way I'm doing it? See how far I've gone? See? It's very easy and simple if you know what you are doing and you enjoy it. The next thing I'm going to put is my sauce. This is my sauce. Are you seeing it? So that it should have taste. Because unripe plantain doesn't have taste, okay? Very well. Make sure you turn so that the sauce will go around. Okay? You turn it very well. Make sure the sauce will go around. The next thing I'm going to bring is my corn flour. Are you seeing? I'm going to put my corn flour. This is corn flour. I hope you are seeing it. Corn flour. You make sure you mix it very well, okay? Make sure you mix it very well. See, we are putting it inside the oil. You can see it's ready now. You see I'm moving it. Now I'm going to show you another pattern so that you decide which of them you are going to do. Okay? This is the first. Now we are going into the second pattern. The second pattern goes like this. The second pattern goes like this. You cut direct inside the oil. Hope you are seeing it. So you choose which of them that is okay for you. Some people might tell you, I don't want to cut direct inside the oil. Are you seeing it? Any of the above is okay for this plantain chin-chin. You see the one I'm cutting it? So it is you that will decide the one you want. Are you cutting direct inside the oil? That means you have to lower your light. Are you cutting inside the plate or slicing inside the plate? You put it in the plate. But this one you don't need to put corn flour, okay? Thank you everyone for watching and God bless you. You see, it's very easy. Remember, you have to wear your hand glove because this cutter is very sharp. For you to put your sauce. You see your sauce. You see, you have to allow it to dry very well. Hope you are getting me. So that it should be strong. Okay? We are about to remove it because it's ready. You see? You see? Look at it. This one is the one we fry direct inside the oil. And this one is the one we fry inside the plate. Which of them do you like? Remember I said this thing is unripe plantain chin-chin. Which of them do you prefer? How do you look at it? Anytime you want to use it, you use it. I put it inside the nylon. Anytime you want to use it or in a container, you can go ahead and use it. Thank you.